Hi guys, how's it going? Right guys, today again is a slightly more different video, okay? So I'm making a bit of like a rant video, which normally I never do, okay? But it's going to be talking about like the topic which you probably all, probably sick to death of actually, which is the leaked paper for Edexcel Higher Tier Paper 1, question 20, so the circle question, plus potentially the whole paper. Now why I've put it in question mark is because I don't know if it's the whole paper as of yet at the time of recording this. Okay, but what I do know is that question 20 was leaked on a Discord server around 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and on another Discord server, I think earlier in the night, 11 o'clock actually, on like a different Discord server. Okay, ever. So, what do I want to say today? Well, firstly, like, I understand deeply, like, the frustration and the anger, and I do feel a bit annoyed actually, which is why I'm gonna have a bit of like a rant here. I do feel a bit angry actually myself today, and I think it's very unfair actually, and it's obviously caused like a huge injustice to people across the country that are trying to work hard actually and trying to get like the best grades they can for the Gcse or their A levels or their Key Stage 1 or Key Stage 2 SATs or whatever examination that they are doing, okay, whether it's international IGCSEs or CIEs or WJEC or any other like exam board, okay, international exam board or UK exam board. Okay, from my part, actually, from my opinion, I'm gonna just come out and say that cheating is wrong, actually, and I think the people that have been doing this should come forward, okay, and that they should be have some sort of consequence in place, okay, from the exam board, okay, from edX or Pearson, okay, into how many exams they miss or how many disqualifications they will get, okay, and I think this is legitimately totally fair because I think it's really, really unacceptable shit and really, really, really nasty and a bit of a horrible thing to do when the vast majority of people in the country are trying to work hard and put in effort and really trying their best legitimately, and someone comes along here and just ruins it for half of the people in the country or ruins it for like the 90%, okay, or 90 percentile of the country, okay, so 90% plus case students across the country, okay, so I think that there should be like a consequence here, and I think that we should obviously bring this investigation to like a swift conclusion as soon as possible, and we've got to obviously start moving actually and start looking forward, okay, to other exams, okay, but I do believe that this is obviously unfair, that I understand completely your frustrations. Please do obviously put in the comments how you're feeling, okay, whether you agree with me or whether you disagree, okay, I'm open to conversation and open to suggestions here, okay, and I do genuinely feel that it has been unfair, and I think it is a genuine injustice here, which again, like I could probably spend a whole video actually ranting about like unfairness here, but unfortunately this is life to that, and I think like this obviously has happened before, and that we have to learn to like try our best to deal with it and say, okay, if it's not in our control, okay, it's best just to report it and then we just move on, okay, and not dwell in this, okay, but the reason why I'm actually dwelling is because I think it's really, really unfair shit, and I think like people shouldn't be doing this to them, because like if this happens again with Tiver, then I think it's gonna cause a lot of like trust issues like with exam boards, and it's gonna open up like a lot of just legal issues, a lot of legal problems Tiver that are gonna just arise, okay, and basically like it comes down to the fundamental issue of trust. If someone doesn't trust someone or a company or an organization, then obviously it is going to open up actually to essentially a lot of like like a lot of just like issues in general, okay, surrounding that, okay, so that's obviously my take on it, guys, okay. I understand that a lot of you are hurt actually, a lot of you are upset, a lot of you are angry. This is totally understandable shit, and I completely agree with most of you that are feeling this way shit, and I don't think it's acceptable at all to cheat under any circumstances, okay, so I totally disagree with what these students have been doing, okay, and I hope that this is obviously brought to like a conclusion as soon as possible, okay, and that I do sympathize with anyone that has been caught in like the crossfire or has been involved in this, okay, unintentionally, okay. If someone's been dragged into it, then again I do have like my heart full apology, okay, for that, and I'm sorry that this has obviously caused a huge distress here and a huge anger, okay, but I just thought I'd make like a little short ranting video actually, okay. If you've got any questions, any queries about this, I'll do my best to answer it. Obviously I wasn't involved in it at all, but I'm doing my best to help Edexcel and Pearson, okay, with any information that I might have to this. So if you do know about anything, please drop that down in the comments, okay, or ideally contact Edexcel Pearson directly, directly, either via Twitter, via Facebook, or via email, probably the best, okay? But do get in touch with them, guys, and let them know, okay, if you know any information about anyone that has committed essentially what we call these malpractices, okay, because it's totally unacceptable and they should not get away with it, okay? That's the bottom line, guys, is that we have to obviously bring down, okay, anyone that has committed malpractice, okay, or committed some sort of injustice for other people, okay? That's it for me today, guys, okay? Sorry for going a bit off tangent here, a bit off topic, okay? Thank you so much for watching. There's going to be more videos hopefully coming out later this week or during the half term, okay? But that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please drop this video a like, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads, okay? But that's it for me today, guys. Cheers for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.